Hello guys, how are you all doing? So today I want to show you how to use these natural ingredients. Some you use to cook and some you overlook to treat infection, okay? This combination is called combo. Yes. You and your husband will take it. Do not take it alone, okay? Yes. Here I have my ginger, my garlic, turmeric, cloves and lemon. So here is my ajumbise. It's called ajumbise. I don't know what it is called in English, please. Ajumbise. So if you are a plumpy person, please don't forget to watch your weight while you are treating infection. But if you're a slim person, you are good to go. Just soak the ingredients and drink. But if you have body, just do it my way. You boil this ajumbise, boil it and drink it. It will serve as a weight loss substance in your system while you're treating infection. It makes it work faster. Okay, yes, I will go ahead and boil that separately. I won't soak it with this one, so I'll boil it separately and be drinking while I soak this one. Wait for the time and start drinking it. I'll drink it together. It doesn't have any effect. Okay, drink yours together. It doesn't have any effect. So the ginger, garlic, turmeric, cloves, and lemon is here now. I'll go ahead to show you people how I do my own. Okay. All right. So here is my garlic. I didn't peel it. I just washed it properly and then mashed it very well. Okay. Use whatever you can use to mash it. Okay, so here is my bowl. I have washed it properly. I am doing it for myself and my husband. Okay, so I'll go ahead and add the garlic inside. All right, so here is my cloves washed properly. I will also add it in the bowl. Here is my turmeric. I didn't peel it, mash it and also add in the bowl. Here is also my ginger. Don't peel it, wash properly, mash it very well, and also add it to the bowl. And this is um my lemon. I didn't wash it. Okay, just go ahead and peel it, slice it that way, add it in the bowl. All right. So here I have added everything in the that I showed you in that bowl. I added hot water, then I dilute it with cold water to make it warm. Okay, you can choose to mix the water, the cold and warm water, the cold the hot and cold water to make it warm, then you pour it, or you do it my way. Add the hot water, then you dilute it with the cold water. You will cover this thing, allow it to stay here for 4 days. I allow my own to ferment for 4 days before you start drinking. Please don't forget to drink with your husband. Drink it for 2 weeks. 2 weeks, okay, morning and night. 2 weeks. If this one finish, you soak another one. You and your husband, 2 weeks. That is how it will work faster. Okay, bye. Don't forget to follow or subscribe.